From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is your weather tonight.
We're hanging out in the mid to upper 50s for now, and even a few lower 60s in spots. The cooler air will be moving in toward daybreak behind a cold front. Gets down to the low to mid 40s around daybreak as clouds clear out. But between now and then, we have some showers and thunderstorms to get through here over the next few hours. There's actually still a level 1 out of 5 risk of a few severe storms in northwest Alabama into northeast Mississippi and southwest Tennessee for the possibility of 1 or 2 storms that can have some gusty straight line winds of 40, 50, 60 miles per hour, maybe some small hail, some localized heavy rainfall, but not expecting a tornado threat in our local area because the surface temperatures are cool and stable. That's not conducive to a tornado threat, but we can't rule out 1 or 2 severe thunderstorm warnings for gusty straight line winds. As storms move through the area between now and about 1 or 2 a.m., they'll move off to the southeast with time clearing after 1 or 2 o'clock. And then clouds start to break up. We get down to the low to mid 40s by daybreak on Friday morning. Sunshine and the westerly wind gets us into the upper 50s, lower 60s by the afternoon, falling into the 40s by the evening, and then into the 30s later into the overnight. I think low to mid 30s for morning lows as we head toward early on our Saturday morning with a mix of sun and clouds across the area. Then we start to see more of a southerly wind on Sunday as high pressure shifts off to the east of the region. That means warming temperatures into the upper 60s, near 70, and everybody into the low to mid 70s as we enter the first half of next week. So hanging out in the 50s for the most part Friday and Saturday. Morning lows over the weekend back into the 30s with some slightly cooler and drier air. And then we switch winds out of the south to the Gulf, and that warms us up next week. Low to mid 70s, and that may set us up for the possibility of a few strong thunderstorms. We're watching a system Wednesday into Wednesday night. There's a whole lot of uncertainty with the model data, though, and as of right now, it does not look like a major type of severe weather threat, but there could be a few stronger thunderstorms, so we'll watch it carefully. Keep checking back in the days ahead, but no reason to be overly worried or to panic or anything like that. Just have your storm plan in place. Make sure you can hear warnings if they are issued, and we'll be just fine. Even if this system didn't exist, you need to have that preparedness anyway, because we're in the middle of severe weather season here in the Tennessee Valley, and this happens every single year. This is a way of life here. Just be prepared, have your plan in place, and we'll be just fine. And we'll continue to hammer out the details here in the coming few days. Showers and thunderstorms for the next few hours, moving out of the area by 1 to 2 o'clock, and then cooler air moving in toward daybreak, low to mid 40s for morning lows, getting up into the upper 50s to near 60 across the area for Friday, with increasing sunshine, especially by midday and afternoon. Partly sunny skies for Saturday and Sunday, 58 for Saturday, 68 for Sunday, a few showers and into the 70s for Monday and Tuesday. And then we'll watch that threat of a few strong thunderstorms toward Wednesday night of next week before more slightly cooler air toward the second half of next week. There's your latest 7-day forecast. I'll be back bright and early in the morning at 4 a.m. with your wake-up weather forecast.